Okay, so let's just start with the main nuts and bolts of this training course. Which applications are we going to install? CRM, absolutely. This is where you're going to manage your members. Mail, yes. You're going to send emails, and we're going to connect it with the CRM so we can see exactly what's been said between the member and the manager. For information purposes, Zoho Books I'm going to add. I'm going to show you how to show your invoices in Books. Zoho Desk, I'm going to show you how to add a ticket support network system. So when people have problems, you track it and make sure you get back to them. Projects, so that we're going to create events, and we're going to have people come in and have tasks for people, and we're going to do project management. Campaigns, I'm going to show you how to send newsletters, send email blasts, even though I hate that word, and be able to interact with people via newsletters. I'm going to leave this for now, but I will do stuff later in the course. So inventory, I want you to turn on. Checkout, we're going to come to. For now, we'll just do subscriptions, turn on. Invoice, turn on. Sign, turn on. So as you know, he paused me and I'll scroll down. CRM, mail, books, desk, projects, campaigns, subscriptions, invoice, inventory, and sign. We can add more later, but we're going to do this one time. Now, it's going to add, obviously it's going to give a few issues that you've got to set up more. It's going to add these to your account. Invoice is not happy, and your domains. Okay, so we got to go back. We need to verify that domain for that to set up, but it's okay. Don't worry about it. An invoice, unknown error. You cannot join the organization in Zoho. A voice, right? Don't worry about it, because I will show you in each section how to fix it.